Good morning, all of you. From TechFab India, we are very much thankful to the organizers for giving us the opportunity to present our case studies. And this is the one of the case studies what we are going to present today. Along with organizer, we are also thankful to the session chair and all the dignitaries present on the dais, off the dais, and all my dear friends. So the case study we are going to present are related to coastals and riverbank protection works. So we all know that there are various issues for the coastal erosions, riverbank erosions, and various solutions has been proposed to overcome such issues at site. So all waterfront structures are subjected to different kind of disturbances like wave pressures, wave impact, high discharge, surface erosions are there, and some are site-specific issues that to be overcome for the performance or for the any prevention against the erosion for the riverbank and the seashore. But any solutions before proposing, we should know that which kind of topography is available at site, what all are the soil parameters, and also hydraulic parameters such as the wave energy, wave heights, and for the water current for the river and all these things. Sometimes there is a scarcity of the good granular material, so we should know that which kind of soils and which kind of material is available at site before proposing any solutions for erosion prevention. So there are various different kind of solutions available in the market, and one can propose any kind of solutions considering the issues at site. So, but geosynthetic products are being widely used for the solutions for riverbank and any kind of seashore protection works. So you can see there is some solutions we have listed here, some kind of soft solution we can say, and some are the hard kind of facings options or solutions can be provided. So with the geosynthetic, especially with the geotextiles, soft kind of solutions are being proposed like sand-filled geotextile mattresses, then the geotextile bags, geotextile tubes, and hard-facing solutions are like gabions with the geocells or other kind of reprep kind of things with the help of geotextile as a filter fabric. So today what we are going to discuss is the soft solutions, and those are related to sand-filled geotextile mattresses, bags, and tubes. So sand-filled geotextile mattress. So this particular product are designed considering the spatial materials, and the construction of this particular mattress is also different than the locally available other materials. So high strength woven polypropylene fabrics are considered, and it has to be mechanically bonded with the green staple and cut fibers for consideration of extra UV and also for the abrasion protections against any kind of water current. So with the filling or with the fill of locally available material or any kind of sand granular fill material, this particular mattresses are laid and filled with such kind of materials at site. The mechanism for the fillings, either you can do with the water, means hydraulically, with the pressure, or mechanically also it can be done at site. Preferable fill material is the coarse sand, because consideration of drainage is there, and we can avoid the clogging of certain things and have a good drainage capability of the fabric and the entire systems. There is a recommendation of the overlap while using this kind of solutions, and 10% of the overlap is recommended when you place it over the bank, and the entire mattresses has to be anchored at top and bottom, and if required sometimes it has to be also fixed with the J hooks in between for the better performance. Next is the geotextile bags. So generally geotextile bags are coming with the small size to big size. You can say small size is the like a pillow kind of things, 1 meter by 0.7 meter width of bags to start with. and it can be with the bigger bags, and the mega container kind of things also can be made with the help of geotextile. And these bags are used at site by placing wherever the erosion is taking place, either bed erosion, surface erosions, and it has to be placed with the help of any machinery or by manually also. Smaller bags can be handled manually, otherwise some equipments are used to place the bigger bags. So special fabrics are designed considering the drainage and other requirements and are to be placed at site. Then geotextile tubes is a bigger size of, we can say from the mega container we can convert to the tubes, and tubes are also made from the woven, non-woven or composite materials and filled with the same water mixers and laid in a series of tubes from to achieve the particular height of the reclamations. Generally, anchor tubes are also considered for the scouring purpose, and there are filling ports at every 5 meters are provided for to fill the tubes effectively and with the consideration of proper pressures with the pumps. So now we will go to the case studies. So we are going with the one case studies for each kind of solutions which we have discussed earlier. One with the mattress, one is with the geotextile bags, and one is with the tube. So there is a one projects being handled with this kind of solutions, sand fill mattresses at North Lakhimpur, Assam in India, and where the frequent erosion has been taken place because the Brahmaputra basin and very heavy current is there with this river Brahmaputra, and every year because of the high discharge and high flow velocity, the erosion has been taken place and it has affected the nearby habitat very badly year by year, and hence the solution has to be decided, and this particular solution has been given. So you can see during installation photographs also how the tracing has been done. Then the anchor trench has been provided at top and bottom, and these mattresses are laid filled with the locally available sand, and it is used for the applications. There are silting is observed after certain period of time to avoid this UV and all this phenomena. Next case study is for the geotextile bags. This for also for the river Churni in West Bengal, and you can see the some erosion is also for the river bank, and there is a need to protect the river bank with any kind of protections to avoid further erosion. And in this case, small bags are proposed in front, but before that the bank has to be reclaimed or bank has to be traced, and to give a proper treatment to that, to give the foolproof solutions for these issues. So you can see the series of activities at site, how the tracing has been done on the embankment slope, then the excavation at top and bottom trench, then the non-one geotextile has been laid, fixed with the gabions in trench at top and bottom, and the series of all geotextile bags are being laid in front to avoid further erosion for the bank. And final photographs, this is the process of rehabilitations, entire things has been covered, and also bricks are laid at top of the geotextiles on the surface of the bank. Now the third case studies are for the geotextile tube, and the seashore has been protected with the tubes, and this is also at Chennai, Kattupalli, so in the north of the Chennai. So it's a manufacturing hub for the India, and there are the jetty is already provided, and to protect the jetty by breakwaters, this particular prevention against the erosion has been proposed. So they have tried with the conventional repair methods also, but it has not been successful. So the particular sections, the tubes 3 plus 2 plus 1 has been proposed with the anchored tube at front, and all are 3-meter dia tubes filled with the locally available sand, and entire height of 7 meter has been achieved by the sand filling behind these tube structures. So you can see this filling of tubes, then laying of tubes, and after completion of work, the entire seashore has been protected with this kind of solutions. So like this, these three solutions are very much effective, and one can select any of that for their solutions for either a riverbank erosion or seashore protection activities at site. With this, thank you very much to all of you, and you can also ask any questions or any queries. Kindly reach to us. We are there to answer your all the queries. Thank you very much.